today's topic is types of government. Right? Till now we have discussed about the main organs, about the functions of the government, and about the levels. And now we are going to learn about the different types of government. And so there are two types of government. So basically, first is democratic government and second is monarchy. Okay, first is democratic and second is monarchy. So what is democratic? What is democracy? India is a democracy, you know very well. India is a democratic country. So what is democratic or democracy? Where the powers are in hands of the people. Means जहाँ पर जो powers हैं वो कहाँ है? People, normal common people के hand में है. If they are giving their votes to them, if they are giving their votes to a particular person or electing them as their leader, and if they are getting the majority of the votes, only then they can form their own government. Okay, so basically, who gave them the power, who gave the government the power to make their own government or to enjoy their leadership? Who gave them this right? Who gave them this power? Obviously, common people gave them this power. Okay, so people of a particular place or country give the government this power to make decisions and enforce some laws. Okay, so what is democratic? Obviously, where the powers are in hands of the people. What does this mean? If the elections are conducted, people are giving their votes, people are casting their votes and electing their own leader. Obviously, why they are electing their leaders? कि वो हमारे लिए कुछ काम करेगा. हम किस लिए वोट दे के आते हैं? Obviously कि हमारे लिए वो कुछ काम करे, हमारे अच्छे के लिए करे, आसपास जो कुछ बनवाना है, पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी या जैसे भी है वो बनवा के दे, रोड्स वगैरह वो अच्छे से करा के दे. मीन अपने ही वेलफेयर के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? अपने लीडर को इलेक्ट करते हैं. ओके, so we elect the leaders, we cast the votes for them. If that party gets majority of the votes, that party makes its own government. Okay, so democratic government is that where the powers are in hands of the people. And in this in this type of government, it has to explain all the actions which are taken by them. Okay, which are taken by them, the rules which are made by them. The next is monarchy. Next is monarchy. What is monarchy? What is monarch? Monarch mean king or queen. मीन कहते हैं ना जो एक सिंहासन पर बैठे, जो हायर बने उस गद्दी का. Okay, so that it is related to king or queen. Monarch is a king or queen. Okay, so the monarch has the power. In this type of government, the king or queen has the power to make their decisions or run their government. Okay, and they have a small group of people for the discussion, for making some rules, for some discussion. They have a small group with them, and but the final decision, they can help the king or queen, or they can help the monarch to make some decisions, or they can give them ideas, but the final decision that would be of monarch, that would be of king or queen, जो भी उस particular area का जो भी उसे rule कर रहा है, that is okay. But like in democratic country, powers are in hands of the people, but in this power are in the hands of that monarch. Okay, जो ये चाहेंगे वो करेंगे. The next is government has to explain his actions, कि वो actions क्या ले रहे हैं, क्या actions नहीं ले रहे, कौन से schemes ला रहे हैं, क्या है क्या नहीं. They have to explain. But monarchy, kings or queen, they don't have to explain their actions at all. Okay, they don't have to explain their actions. So our country is type of which government? Democratic. India is a democracy. Now, do you know that this achievement has this achievement is the result of the struggle which is made by Indian people for so long. Yes, इतने टाइम के लिए उन्होंने स्ट्रगल किया, पीपल ने, इंडियन पीपल ने स्ट्रगल किया. दैट्स व्हाई आवर कंट्री एट लास्ट, आवर कंट्री बिकेम अ डेमोक्रेसी, और आवर कंट्री बिकेम अ डेमोक्रेटिक. क्लियर? एंड देयर आर सम अदर प्लेसेस आल्सो which have struggled to have their democracies. So now let's talk about USA and Europe. In the earlier times, or we can say before so many years ago, all over Europe and USA, women and poor, they had to fight for participation in the war, and it was their struggle. They did their struggle, and their struggle got strengthened during the First World War. How their struggle and that moment, which is known as women suffrage movement. Okay, that is known as women suffrage movement. In this moment, all over Europe and USA, the women of that places and poor, they had to fight for participating in wars, and their struggle got strengthened at the time of First World War. How the First World War? So, in the First World War, all the people, or all the man, we can say, all the men, they were fighting the war at that time. So, what happened at that time? The ladies or women were called upon to do work, to do man's work, जिसे कहा जाता था कि ये man काम करते हैं, ये ladies का नहीं है. Okay, so at that time, women were called upon to do man's work. But at that time, when they started doing those work, and when they got mastery in those works, then people wondered on the stereotypes made by them. I told you what are stereotypes. To fix a person into a image. Yes, कि image बनाने की ladies ये नहीं कर सकती हैं, women ये नहीं कर सकते, that means नहीं कर सकती. Okay, so these were type of the stereotypes made by the people of that time, and they wondered on these stereotypes. That we were thinking this, and they have proved themselves that they are also able to make decisions, they are also able to make the works, and they are also equal to the man. Okay, and the leaders who were in this movement, that is women suffrage movement, they have to vote for the right to vote for women and the poor by rallies or by strikes. Okay, and even some have to go, even some had to go to the jail as well. Okay, they were sent to the jail, or they went on the hunger strike as well. Okay, so because of these struggles, they were kept on for so many years. Okay, so American women got the right to vote in 1920, and in Europe, women got the right to vote in 1928. I mean, this was their struggle. At that time, they were the people, the man or the government who was thinking that only men can do this work, or even poor or the women, they were not allowed to cast their vote also. They were making women inferior to gents. Okay, but at last, they got to know, and they wondered on the stereotypes made by them for the women. Okay, so at last they got the right to vote. In USA, we can say in USA, American women got the right to vote in 1920, and in Europe in 1928. Now, basically, what is the main feature of a democracy? What is the main feature? I mean, people have the powers to elect their leaders. That is democracy. It means, what is the feature? It means people have the power to elect their leader, to choose their leader. Yes, so in a sense we can say that a democracy is ruled by the people. Yes, ruled by the people. जो people कर रहे हैं, if the people are choosing any party, then that party only makes its government. Na? It means a democracy is ruled by whom? The people. Yes, a government cannot call itself democratic until it has universal adult franchise, or until it believes universal adult franchise. What is this universal adult franchise? We have discussed in previous chapter as well in political science. We discussed, and that it means all adults have their equal rights to vote. Okay, so do you know that the time when women and poor, when they were not allowed to cast their vote in our country as well, Do you know only man, or we can say they were, who were educated, only man who were educated, who were having, they mean who want much property. Okay, so only they were allowed to vote, and only these few people, they were ruling the majority of our country. So basically at that time, Mahatma Gandhi also demanded that all the adults should have their own right to vote. Because, or he demanded, or he said, right to vote means, he said that there should be a vote for every person, each and every person, whether that person is a woman, a poor, educated, uneducated, owning property or propertyless. Okay, they all are equal and they all should be having their one vote. Mahatma Gandhi demanded all the adults should have their right to vote. And universal adult franchise, that indicates only this thing, that all the adults should have their own votes. Okay, then there is a journal of Mahatma Gandhi. Journal of Mahatma Gandhi, and that is Young India, which was written by Mahatma Gandhi in 1931. In this journal, he has told, or he has written, he said that I cannot bear the idea that the person who is educated or who has much property with it, he has the right, but all those who have their characters, who are honest, they are not having their own right to vote. Whether the people who are characterless, or they are having much property, or they are educated, they all are having. But what is the crime of that people, of women, of poor? What is the crime? That they are poor, they are women, they are propertyless. Yes, so Mahatma Gandhi demanded that there should be, or all the adults should have their right to vote. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. If this is clear to you all, then thumbs up the video and like the video. And what you have to do now, till now I have given you 3 to 4 questions to write. Now the next question, there are 2 another points that I have told you but I have not written. That is about Americans women in 1920 and Europe. They got their right to vote. Yes. So basically the next question you have to write, what is the difference between democratic government and monarchy? What is the difference between democratic government and monarchy? And the next question is, name the journal written by Mahatma Gandhi and the year in which it was written. The journal written by Mahatma Gandhi. And the last question is, mention the year in which American and European women got their right to vote. Mention the years in which Americans and European women got their right to vote. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. If you have watched this video carefully, obviously this will be clear to you all. If still there is any doubt, you can tell your doubt in your class or group. Okay, then take care. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Take care.